So it is our first camping trip of the year. We got in late last night. It was like 10 o'clock-ish. It was almost dark. And we got our very first camp set up, our very first hammock set up. And we are at one of our favorite semi-secret places right by the water. Haven't done videos in a while, so this is the first video I've done in, wow, probably almost like 5 months. So I might get back into it, I might not, but you kind of just got to soak this moment in. And on that note, I'm gonna go soak in some coffee. What are you up to over here, Eleanor?
Firewall, so we can have fire tonight.
Building the firewall so we can have a fire tonight?
Yeah.
That is a good idea. I like that. I'm gonna help you. All dry now? All right. The little dude woke up, got dressed, promptly set up a hammock.
How dare you?
How dare I what?
I don't want this.
How dare you? I come over here and just give you a little rock.
Ah.
Just kind of hold it up against the sky. And I'll look over here. Yeah, it is kind of shaped like a heart. Nice work,
This
dude.
was all the lines.
Got the fire.
Daddy, look! I can hear the fire!
Yeah. I'm sitting back, sipping on some coffee, enjoying the view while the kids make a little fire in the fire pit by themselves, monitored by an adult, obviously.
As long as I hear that crunch.
So I actually baked the sausages, but I put them in the pan just to put a little grease in there before I cook the eggs. So there's not really an agenda today. We're just gonna hang out and enjoy a nice quiet day doing almost nothing. This trip involves a lot of naps. The little guys have decided that they want to go do what?
An adventure.
An adventure. We're gonna go for a little walk and adventure. I'm gonna make some coffee, then we're gonna go. All right, kids want to go for a hike, and we're actually gonna go hike off in that direction over there because we have never gone that way. So off we go.
That's my eye about this rock.
What's that?
Is that, well, there's two things. One is that it's relatively a square or a rectangle.
Uh-huh.
It's either a cube. It's pretty much a rectangular prism.
Okay, what else?
And you see how this bit is flat with holes in it like
Yeah.
that? This really caught my eye because like this one has bumps.
I
with
bet
holes.
I bet those holes are something that formed when it was lava, like bubbles maybe.
Coming over. Maybe a yard away from the other rock. Oh!
All right, go.
Pink swipes.
Eleanor's playing with slime. I just made some lunch, got it started in the oven right here. Teo's gearing up to go hang out in the hammock, and we're just gonna chill until lunch is ready. Eleanor and I have been taking a nap in this hammock, and over in that hammock I've heard the same song playing over and over and over. I think that the little dude's falling asleep. Let's see. My little napping man. And what did you just do, sir?
Started that fire.
So, we're having s'mores, but we have a problem. What's the problem? What's the problem? Problem is everybody's got their mouth full. Somebody, me, may have forgotten to pack the marshmallow sticks.
Give me a break.
Are we just chilling? The day is done. The kids are up there playing a little bit of games on their iPads for a few minutes, and it's not quite dark yet. Playing Nintendo because the new Zelda game is out. Not quite, you know, dark out, but the sun is setting. It's 9 p.m. This is the scene. It's been a really good day of just chilling out, taking naps in the hammock, having a little bit of a fire without s'mores, and just relaxing. So tomorrow we're gonna pack up and start heading south. You know the drill. Work hard, play hard, be a big softie when you get home.